everyone, nice to meet you again. As you know that I'm Preeti and I'm glad that you have chosen our accounting firm. So first of all, I'm just going to highlight about our first meeting. In our first meeting, four of you told me that you want to start up a real estate sales business, but all of you are confused in selecting business structure, as two of you prefer partnership and two of you prefer company. So as per your preference, I researched on both structures, partnership as well as company. So today I would like to give you my advice to all of you regarding choosing the appropriate business structure. So before going to the recommendation, I would like to explain a little bit more about partnership as well as company, so you all of can get familiar with both concepts. Starting with partnership. Partnership refers to the relation that exists between more than one person, those carrying business in common with a motive of profit. And individual members of partnership is known as partners. Mostly, partners are formed by an agreement, contract or deed that can be oral as well as written, which explains the agreement that are done between partners. Suppose if there is no agreement, then the Principle of Partnership Act provides rules about the relationship between partners. Here I use Partnership Acts. So I'm just going to clarify the Partnership Act. As every state in Australia is having their different Partnership Act who govern the partnership business. So in Queensland, partnerships are governed under Partnership Act 1891. I know these words are technical for you, but if you want to go with partnership, then you have to keep this act in your mind. So I'm going to explain more about partnership. As partnership is easy to set up with less setup and ongoing cost, but partnership business have unlimited liability, which means if you go with partnership structure, then your personal property will also attach with your business. One more thing that you have to keep in your mind, that partnership is not a separate legal entity. That means business is not separate from you, and you can sue or be sued by outsider, not by partnership firm. Now I'm moving to company. The function of company in legal sense is to hold assets and to run business as a separate entity, which means your business is separate from your personal property. And it means that companies can sue or get sued, not the owners like you. Other thing is that companies have limited liability. That means in case of debt arise on company, then all of you will get liable up to your share price and you don't have to pay from your pocket. On the top of that, companies have perpetual succession, which means company will remain in existence for a long term. It just can get wind up or just deregistered. Otherwise, it will get for unforeseeable future. Now, for companies, you also need to keep one more act in mind. Companies are informed of being treated as formed by registering under Corporation Act 2001, that is governed by Australian Securities and Investment Commission. So without taking more time, I would like to recommend company for your business, because you are involved in real estate business that involves higher risk. So for all of you and your business, the concept of limited liability that is provided by company is perfect. As I have discussed earlier, the other important feature of companies are perpetual succession and separate legal entity, whereas partnership lacks these features. No doubt, forming a company is a complicated task as compared to partnership, but still it has positive aspects. Like by getting registered under Corporate Act, all the legal arrangements remain under the company name, whereas in partnership, all the legal arrangements remain under the name of partners. On the top of that, all of you are just 4 members, so I would recommend you should go with a proprietary company limited by shares if you want to continue your business as company. This structure of company is most often used by small businesses as it involves almost all feature of company with less number of person who can easily set up their business by using proprietary company. I hope this information is useful for you for choosing an appropriate business structure. Thanks. Have a good day. See ya.